All right, with the Michigan weather here, I have not been able to work on my blue foxbody beast, but that doesn't mean I haven't been collecting some parts here and there and also digging out some parts that I have. So let's start with this Alternator Kit. This I ordered from Summit Racing. You know, normally I just go with the March 1645 302 kit. And I seen this kit and I said, you know what? I'm going to give it a try because if you don't go out and try different products from time to time, then you don't have any feedback with them. And I get customers that might ask me, hey, what do you know about the Speedmaster Alternator Kit? So I'm going to give it a try. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off. I ordered this oil adapter because, as you guys know, with our forward-facing headers, you do have to run the oil filter either relocation kit or the adapter kit. And Ford Racing has discontinued their old cast design, and now they have this really nice CNC machined piece. Yes, it does cost a little bit more, but this is a very nice piece. So I will be doing a little showcase install with it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I want to get a header set up on the mock-up car, and I'm going to put this on and everything. Most of these parts are either one of two. They're either maintenance stuff that needs to get done. You know, I always put a fresh fuel filter on if I don't know the history of the car. And got a rear axle leak coming from the pinion. So I'm going to go through and put a new seal, change up my fluid. I'm not happy with the way the AC is on the car, with it just basically being an AC compressor up there and nothing else. There's no lines, there's no this, there's no that. So here we go. Ford Racing AC Elimination Kit is going to go really good with this style kit. I'm not going to say it's just a March kit or a Speedmaster kit. I'm going to just say this style kit that goes and basically moves the alternator in some. So a lot of this stuff is just build up for whenever I build the turbo kit for it. But I would like for it to run pretty decent, to have something comparable, you know, with some slight modifications to it. So whipped out a set of Bbk headers, you know, some equal length shorties. C&L mass air meter. This is a 76, which I actually used a 76 on my very first twin turbo kit. I'm not going to say it was the greatest thing, but it definitely ran decent. It definitely did run good. Some Ford Racing 42-pound injectors and a C&L mass air meter. Boom. That was working good. So that's it. You can definitely hear some work going on in the background there, huh? Let's see, did I miss anything? No, this is it. This is the... Oh, yes, I did. Let me pause this. Okay, so this is what I missed. The Steeda track shifter. So, just between this and the Pro 5.0, these are the two shifters I've always used in my cars. And this car is definitely staying automatic. Or sorry, a manual. I have 2 C4s, a built AOD. I have so many auto transits I could put in the car, but what I really miss is rolling gears. So that's was kind of like the basis of this car build. I just missed working on fox bodies and doing stuff, and I missed banging gears. But backstory to this. So this was a Facebook marketplace buy. And I couldn't pass up the price, and you know, blah blah blah. And he had a B&M shifter on it, and he's like, "Hey bud, you know, I got the B&M shifter in the pick, but it doesn't come with the shifter." And I was like, "That's fine. I personally don't like them for a manual shifter, anyways. This is the hammer shifter. I don't know, looks like a T-handle kind of thing." And so I get this shifter lever, you know, that I can finally see better. Look at that. Freaking threads are gone. Oh man. People sometimes, I mean, literally, it's hard to pick up in here, but the very half inch is bent backwards. All these holes, it's like the bolt was loose and they were just banging the shifter back and forth. If the base had any problems with it, then yeah, I would be sending this back. I can buy this handle brand new for $35, or I can put my Hurst handle I already have on there. So not the biggest thing, but want a nice good shift, and I've always been happy with the Tri-X myself and the Pro 5.0. There's, you know, the two good ones. But that's it. That's the update for getting some work done. Got some small other stuff, Speedo gears. The Speedo gear on the trans was all chewed up, so I ordered a new one. And as soon as we get some nice weather, I'm going to be doing a little install video of some of this stuff. So that's it. Enough rambling about the same old thing. I just feel like I'm killing a dead horse over here over and over.